How does mutual funds help you in achieving your financial goals? Financial expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will explain this now.
So typically, I would like to define goals here. So goals could be a short-term goal, goals could be a medium-term, and it could be a long-term goal. Say, for example, if you want to define a long-term goal, it could be like children education. When he is completing 18 years of age, then he is going to a graduation. There is some lump sum amount of money which is being required, or maybe at 21 when he is doing a post graduation, you may be requiring some large amount of money, or probably at 23 or 25 he wants to start an entrepreneurial journey. So as a parent, probably you want to give a seed capital so that he can start the business. Similarly, it could be a child marriage, and above all, retirement also is a very important goal. So these are the goals which are little long term in nature. And if you want to look at the short term goals, say probably if you want to buy a car in next 3-4 years, and you want to build a corpus so that you can buy that car, or if you want to plan your overseas travel, that are short term goals. Medium term goals would be like probably you want to buy a house, so for the down payment you want to create a kitty of corpus. So depending on these kind of goals, you have to choose an appropriate product. Say for example, if you are investing for a long period of time, it is better to invest into an equity oriented kind of schemes. If you are investing in a middle kind of a range, medium kind of a range, of course, probably the hybrid kind of products may be suited. But if you are investing about say 1 to 2 years time frame, then probably the debt oriented products may be suited. And you can always take help of your advisor who can guide you with these kind of products which is being suited. So goals is an important thing. Once you are able to identify your goals, then you identify your investments, and you have to continue that investments. There could be ups and downs in the market, but if you have faith and if you continue the investment, you will be achieving your goals over a period of time.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.